face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything.
Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we are going to be doing a whole house clean. I had so many areas in my house that needed to be cleaned up. So if you're cleaning with me today, go ahead and let me know in the comments. I love to hear what you guys are working on and that you are up and motivated and going. And if you're not and you're just hanging out and chilling and you have your coffee or your tea, then I hope you guys enjoy hanging out with me today. And without further ado, we're just going to go ahead and get started.
Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
So what I'm doing here is going ahead and starting off with washing our blankets. They needed to be washed. I like to do this at least once a week. So I did decide that we are going to go ahead and keep some of our winter decorations up in the bedroom. So when I undecorate some of the Christmas decor we have in our room, I'm going to go ahead and keep a few things up because technically it's still winter.
Wanna go? I am all about adventure times. Another drink and I'll go anywhere. The way you smell, like a flash in the universe. You are illuminating. I don't really care about the people in the bar line. I don't really mind all the who goes doing stage dives. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention, so you would say yes. I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living.
So I wanted to show you guys my 2021 planner. It is a simplified planner and I just picked it up from Target for like less than 20 bucks. So I was in a little book party on Facebook and I went ahead and picked up a few books for Ava, and I thought I'd share them with you guys because they're so good. They're like activity books for kids just to help them have a positive attitude and learning how to let go. There's so many books for different reasons. I'll go ahead and try and find the link where you can find the books.
Even if I told you I could never let you go, I'm not so sure you believe me. But if I mean to show you, I will never let you go. No, 'cause you don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
Okay, so my little ladder shelf here was so dusty, you guys. So we're gonna go ahead and remove some of this Christmas decor and wipe the ladder down.
Yeah. The way you're making me shiver, your hands on myself, I keep pulling the trigger, alright. This rare finger for people like them. Oh, no. But darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky, oh. It's the way you make me feel so good right now. It's the way you make me feel so good, oh. I keep on falling astray from my intuition, but I'm pretending it's not.
So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is remove like the red balls from the tree and all of that red and the wreath and stuff like that. I'm gonna go ahead and keep the flocked tree up just because I feel like it's still winter. It technically is. And I really just love it. I love having some of that flocked greenery in there.
It's the way you make me feel so good right now. It's the way you make me feel
I'm also going to go ahead and use my thieves cleaner as a glass cleaner today. So I do want to do a disclaimer because I get a lot of comments on my energy and how much I'm getting done. And honestly, this is not me every day, obviously, because you can see my room gets very messy. But I definitely have days that I don't do anything at all, especially now since I haven't been feeling well. So thank you guys too for all of your prayers and your positivity on that. But the days that I don't feel well or the days I don't have energy, I just take it easy and I just do mom life and the things that I kind of have to get done, like feed my family and stuff like that. But other than that, I'm not energized and cleaning like every single day of the week or anything like that, you guys. So I am human too, just like you, but I do enjoy making these videos because I know that there's days that you just don't feel like getting up and you just don't have the motivation to get things done. So that's why I like to put a couple of these videos out a week for you guys. So on the days that you're able to get things done, that I can kind of get you up and motivated and going.
Baby, go blind. Why are you playing? We ain't got the time. Tell me now if you wanna.
So what I'm using on my countertops and sink is the Method Anti-Bac, and I'm almost done with it, which I'm really excited about because I want to buy some new cleaning products. And then I'm also using the Thieves cleaner again on my mirrors. It does a good job. It's kind of like a multi-surface cleaner, but I mostly use it for my mirrors and glass and stuff like that.
Let love go. How could we move on? Move on. Why you wanna let me go now? Now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. 'Cause your love, maybe go blind. Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. 'Cause your love, maybe go blind. Oh, For love or pity, let me know. 'Cause your love, maybe go blind. Epiphany rising, got it all wrong. You see bright as lightning. Already memories. Now I just don't really care what you feel, what you feel, what you feel. Shame on me, thinking it was just a phase. Got me like ooh, got me like ooh. Ain't it fun recognizing your mistakes? Got me like ooh, feeling so ooh.
If you guys have glass shower doors, how many of you guys use a little squeegee like the one on top of my shower right there? If you don't, you guys, it's a game changer. It really helps keep your glass doors cleaner longer. Just every time you finish taking a shower, all you do is squeegee down that glass door there. It just helps with having less water buildup. So today I'm going to go ahead and clean my shower with the Jaws foam cleaner. If you have tried Jaws before, you know most of them don't really have a smell. This one has a little bit of a smell, which I kind of like because it's not strong, but it just gives you enough smell just to smell good in your bathroom. So I do like this new bathroom foam cleaner better than their old one. If you guys want to try it out, I will have a discount code down in the description box. I always have it there if you want to check them out. Also, for my monthly giveaways that I'm doing this year, what do you guys think about me getting a Jaws cleaning set for the month of January? Let me know if that's something you guys would want. If you guys follow my channel for a long time, you know I like to use some kind of glass cleaner after I'm done cleaning my bathtub and shower. I like to use the glass cleaner on the glass here. It just makes it even cleaner and it looks great. All right, next we're gonna go ahead and clean my toilet. I like to use this Clean Freak Mist sprayer. I really like it a lot, you guys. And I like to use something stronger on my toilet, obviously because it's a toilet. And I just go in with paper towels. I don't like to use any of my cleaning cloths on the toilet.
holding on, I wouldn't let you go. 'Cause every time I try, you find a loophole. I've been slamming the door and just leave you cold. When I come back, you've heated up the South Pole. You see my body rush for the escape, while my heart wants to stay. I run away, hit the road, and I almost stay, but I keep turning back just like a boomerang. You're like a backseat ghost telling me to stop. No matter what you do, I keep on coming back.
All right, you guys, so I wanted to thank you all for your thoughts and opinions on what I'm going to do with this rug. So I do like how it looks, but I do want to keep an eye out and see if there's a rug that I might like better in our living room.
I keep on spinning like a boomerang. You know exactly where to push or pull. And I am going mad just like you knew I would. You're reading me like an open book. You know me better than I ever thought you could. You see my body rush for the escape, while my heart wants to stay. I run away, hit the road, and I almost stay, but I keep turning back just like a boomerang. You're like a backseat ghost telling me to stop. No matter what you do, I keep on coming back just like a whoa.
So I do want to remind you guys that I still have a discount code that is active for the Top-In Air Purifier there on my back counter. If you missed it in my last video, I did give some great information about why it's beneficial to have an air purifier in your home, and just the fact that this one is small and compact and it works up to 100 feet in your space. We love it. It takes away any like kitchen food smell, and it's really good for dust and pet allergens. I will have that discount code and link in the description if you wanted to check them out.
Remember when you told me you believe in something, and you said you're done pretending that fate is patient. Go run away, get it out of your system. Come back when you're older. Go find a place where you can't be the
So I am using the last of my Bon Ami. That is so sad, so sad. So I do have to definitely put that on my list of new cleaning products to pick up.
broken bones and be wild, 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 wild.
All right, you guys, so that is all I have for you today. I hope you got tons of motivation. I appreciate you for watching. And if you can give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, that would be amazing. Also, if you are new, consider subscribing and joining our family here on YouTube. And I will meet all of you guys in the comments. Bye.